Hello children, today I am going to discuss about volume of a right circular cylinder. Let us consider a cylinder of a height h units and radius r units. So volume of a cylinder V equal to area of base into height. Area of base of cylinder is circular, so area of base is equal to pi r square and height is h equal to pi r square h cubic unit. This is the formula of volume of the cylinder. Now we will clarify this formula with some important examples. Example 1. Find the volume of a cylinder having base radius 10.5 centimeter and height 18 centimeter. Solution: here r is equal to 10.5 centimeter, we can convert it in fraction 21/2 centimeter, and h is equal to 18 centimeter given. So volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h equal to 22/7 is the value of pi, and r is 21/2 into 21/2 into 18 centimeter cube. 7 3 are 21, 11 2 are 22, and 2 9 are 18 equal to 11 into 3 into 21 into 9 centimeter cube equal to 6237 centimeter cube. This is our answer. Example 2. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 176 centimeter and its height is 65 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Solution: let the base radius of the cylinder be r centimeter, then circumference of its base equal to 2 pi r centimeter. But circumference of the base equal to 176 centimeter is given. So 2 pi r equal to 176. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 176. So r is equal to 176 into 7 by 2 into 22. 2 to 176 88 times cancel, and 22 4 times cancelled, 88 equal to 28 centimeter. So volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h equal to 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 into 65 centimeter cube. 7 4 ja 28 equal to 160 centimeter cube. This is our answer. Example 3. A cylindrical tank has a capacity of 5632 meter cube. If the diameter of its base is 16 meter, find its depth. Solution. Let the depth of the cylindrical tank be h meter. Radius of its base equal to 8 meter. Capacity of the tank equal to volume of the tank. Volume of the tank equal to pi r square h equal to 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 into h centimeter cube. Therefore 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 into h equal to 5632. So h is equal to 5632 into 7 by 22 into 8 into 8. Here 8 divides 5632 704 times, and 704 divided by 8 88 times, and 88 divided by 22 4 times equal to 28 meter. Hence the depth of the given cylindrical tank equal to 28 meter. This is our answer. Example 4. A rectangular sheet of paper 88 centimeter by 10 centimeter is rolled along its length, and a cylinder is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder so obtained. Let solution. Let ABCD is a rectangular sheet. ABCD is a rectangular sheet, and it is rolled along its length like this, and then formed a cylinder like this. Point C comes here and point B comes here, and after that this becomes a cylinder like this. It is rolled along its length as shown in the figure. Height of the cylinder equal to 10 centimeter. Circumference of the base equal to length of the sheet. A circumference of the base equal to the length of the sheet equal to 88 centimeter. So 2 pi r equal to 88. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 88. So r is equal to 88 into 7 by 2 into 22. 88 divided by 2 equal to 44, and 44 divided by 22 2 times equal to 14 centimeter. This is a radius of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 10 equal to 7 to the 14 and 22 to the 44 and 14 10 the 140 equal to 6160 centimeter cube. This is our answer. Example 5. An iron pipe is 21 centimeter long and its external diameter is 8 centimeter. If the thickness of the pipe is 1 centimeter and iron weighs 8 gram per centimeter cube, find the weight of the pipe. Solution: external radius of the pipe equal to 4 centimeter. Thickness of the pipe equal to 1 centimeter. Internal radius of the pipe equal to 4 minus 1 centimeter equal to 3 centimeter. So external volume equal to 22 by 7 into 4 into 4 into 21 centimeter cube. 7 3 are 21 equal to 88 into 12 centimeter cube equal to 1056 centimeter cube. Internal volume equal to 22/7 into 3 into 3 into 21 centimeter cube. 7 3 jar 21 equal to 22 3 jar 66 and 3 3 jar 9 centimeter cube. 66 9 jar 594 centimeter cube. So volume of the metal equal to external volume minus internal volume equal to 1056 minus 594 centimeter cube is equal to 462 centimeter cube. So weight of the pipe equal to 462 into 8 gram equal to 462 into 8 by 1000 kilogram equal to 3696 by 1000 kg equal to 3.696 kg. This is our answer. Thank you children.